Good afternoon, crafters. Sparkle here. Say, I am just wanted to play with my book of North American birds that I got recently, and I would challenge myself to just use that and just some odds and ends on my desk. So what I chose was some envelope window. So what I did was I made like little I don't know, like book plates, okay? So I'm just using the birds, the envelope, some eyelets, some ink, and paper from the page. Okay, that's all I'm going to use. So I made that one, and I made this one. Okay, so yeah, so I already went through my books and I tried to find images that would show forth, and if they had some background to use that, fine. If not, I was going to use some backing from the page that I cut out. So I have this one, and I found the sandpiper, and this one I liked, and this one. So we're going to put them together real quick. Just something to do on a Sunday afternoon. I'm just chilling. It's relaxing Sunday, so I don't do anything too stressful. So I already, like I said, tried to put some of this together just so I had an idea where I was going. So you just need some glue and an ink pad. And I'm just going to, this was just the top of it, so I added a piece of the book page on the back. So let's ink up. This is a sandpiper, Baird's sandpiper, seldom traveling in large flocks and often feeding far from water. The Baird sandpiper spends its winter high in the Andes of South America. Who knew? Okay, I'm just going to place things randomly right now till I see where my bird's going to fit. So I roughly cut him out. And I'd like to get the words in there because I think that's kind of fun. They don't have to be straight. Well, they will too, so we can read them. Okay, so that's going to go there. So maybe yeah, I'll glue that down because that's a given. So all I'm doing is popping under here and then some glue just to get it started. Okay. And then this guy, I wanted him to sort of hang over maybe like that so you can still see the words. I know I have to cut some of them off, and that's to be expected in something like that. But that would look cute. So again, I'm just going to add a little bit of glue to get them started. And I could open it up and tack down anything that might need a little bit of glue. And these are going to be sealed, so let's trim them off and see how he looks. Perfect. So then I just take my glue and glue near the edge. And this is when you would do any trimming. Now I see I have to cover these numbers. So I will take a piece of, this is just a map of the different areas where the birds were located. So I'm just going to put something like that here. Maybe not so bumpy. just I want to put it up the other way. Yeah, I seem to be on an envelope kick, so watch out. Then I took my crocodile, and these are the smaller ones. I need 4. And let me see. Okay, I've locked it in here about a half an inch. This is the 1/8, and I'm just going in on the corners on an angle, so they're not real close to the edge. And I have my eyelet set for, I believe it's C3. 3, yeah, C3. C3. Okay, and make sure your point is on top. That's the top, and this is the bottom. So, well, we better do one at a time. And I crimp till I hear a click. So that way, if you put them in like a half inch, they're not on the edges. Like, yeah, this original one I did was close to the edge. So I moved everything down. Okay, now I'm not going to cover, this one has paper on the back. I'm not going to cover these because they're going to go down on my journals. Okay, so they would go like on top of a journal. Oops. I did not put that one in. I just put it in. I forgot to crimp it. Okay. So yeah, I'm not going to cover the backs. That one is because it was a single top. But I think they're kind of cute. Something different. So this one is a ruby crowned kinglet. And I don't have the bio on it because I just tore this one out of the book. So let's ink around it a little bit so it's not so white. Because the magazine page. Okay, so I might be able to cut a little bit off the top. So he fits in better. Actually, I want him right there. Okay, so again, we'll just add some glue back here. And just get them positioned where you want them. Let's trim some of this. Now why don't you use my birds? Let's see, we've got to put ruby crown kinglet someplace. So maybe ruby crowned and then kinglet. I don't know if we want to put it inside. Let's see. No, I think we're going to put it out here, ruby crowned. And then kinglet can go down here. Let's straighten him out. He needs some ink because he's white. Okay. Let's add some glue down here. I like these. So using up all parts of your envelopes. This one doesn't look straight. I'm not going to use that. So let's get ruby crowned up here. And kinglet over here.
No coffee? Get fresh chill delivered free. Same day, Walmart Plus.
Gotta fit it in there. Okay. All right. Let's get this one glued in here. This has got a little stick out here. Okay. And let's pop our holes in here. Right on the corner here. Let's see where this one's going to end. Right through the word. That's okay. Get some space here so you can see what I'm doing. Yep, C3 for the small. I never knew that until I went online and looked it up. They work perfectly. And I think the big ones I think are A1. I wrote it down someplace. The big ones are A1 for the 3/16. I didn't get that one in. On the floor here. Yeah, this one sort of went in. So they're nicely spaced. So there you have it. I'll finish the rest off camera, and I'll come back and show you them all finished.